Hi, Wes. We're going to Walmart, guys. So I'm gonna make a short vlog. Kasi di ako naka-vlog today. Walk, yeah, but hold mommy. Oh my goodness. No, it's okay. You hold kuya. So, nandito kami kasi bibili kami ng milk and costume for the kids. Hold on. Here is the cart here. Hey, no fighting. Waylon. Yan na. Get.
You're not riding it. Don't even act like you're going to.
Sit down. No. Like that.
See, go back there.
No, just sit there.
So, ngayon lang kami ulit nakabalik.
Here, look at stuff. You get to Nita.
Okay.
And whatever you want to look at.
Go to your daddy, William.
Me?
Okay. Oh, let's go there first. It's right there, oh.
You want William?
Come here. Both of you, come here. Come here. So, ayan. Guys, may maraming costume dito na pagpipilian. Look at Willan, oh, you look. Ay, pang ano naman ni, ay, pang dagko.
Mama!
Spider-Man.
Mommy! Ow! Dad!
But wala na may panggagmay, we.
I want to.
Ay, be nice to each other.
Give it.
Ano that one? Ano, pang 8 years old na lang man eh. Mali talaga ako, guys. Sana bumili ako ng Spider-Man nung ano pa.
Batman, mommy! You're Batman!
Hindi pa malapit yung Halloween. Ngayon, nauubusan na. You want that one?
Oh! Need to go down.
No, hold on. What do you want? William, give him one, be. You want to be like... What is this?
The baby is for baby.
Ah, put it back now. Hey, ikaw, dito. Oh, wow.
Mommy, it's only 9.
Yeah, but it's not gonna fit on Waylon.
This is big.
You want to be a Batman, William?
No.
Or the ninja?
No, I've been a ninja last year.
Wesley, do you want to be a Spider-Man?
Mommy, I want to be fishy. Right here.
Mga malalaki naman to.
Mommy, I want to be fishy. It's right
No,
here.
Willow. Do you want to have this? Huh?
No.
Oh. Look at guys, so ang dami palang mga ano dito. May mga makeup pa for Halloween. Ayan yung mga costume. Oh. Okay, this one. This one? Hello! Ang cute. Marunong ka lang mag-makeup na may hair color din sila. Hindi pa talaga ako nakakita para sa mga bata eh. Ano ba kawilon? Na-stress ilang daddy, guys. Look at ilang aysan. O mo na ilang maligyan na, guys. Tapos sila itubigan dire. William. Wesley.
Mommy, it's a fun.
Huh? So fast, William. Careful. Kuya, Wesley, oy. Wesley. Careful lah. You need to hold.
Come here, you're not riding it.
Siya na ka, stress na lang siya sa mga bata. Ako ani, magkatawar ako. Siya kay mura na og kuan. End of the world. Ang ganda ng panahon. It's already 5:24 ng hapon dito. And tingnan niyo yung mga ano guys, mga puno guys. Nag-start na sila magkakulay. Okay, I'll hold him. I hold them.
Get them in the scene.
Come on. Ikaw ba? Hindi niya dyan na-stressan yung daddy ay. Ganahan dyan mo ma-stress yung daddy.
No.
Yes.
Me.
Na iyo?
Yeah.
Waylon.
And Leland.
Oh, it's Raylan.
Not me.
Excuse me, Raylan, please. So nice.
Tommy.
Ikaw, Raylan?
Mommy, I got two candies. You have to.
Raylan. Ang mami sa gid. Na nag-ano lang ako guys, natawa lang ako sa kanila kasi iba kasi pag ako yung kasama ng mga bata is like yeah, nakaka-stress but tinatawanan ko na lang kasi bata sila. Kasi hindi ako talaga nagmamadali. Pag yung daddy yung kasama nila, kailangan magmadali or like ma-stress siya kayo. Nasama ko. Ang gaganda ng bahay, oh.
They're pretty.
Oh, Waylon was crying. Did you hear Waylon?
I think I heard all of it.
I didn't even scream once.
Sabi ko sa inyo guys, ang mga daan dito, paliko, pataas, pababa, tapos paliko na naman.
Daddy,
Ayan,
mommy,
ang mga bahay.
mommy, daddy doesn't know what you're daddy doesn't know what you're saying right now.
Mhm.
Yeah.
You wanna play?
Diba, paliko na naman. Say sorry to Shana. Hug, kiss him. Kiss his bubo. Kiss his bubo. Oh, hug to Kuya Wesley. Hug Kuya Wesley, hug.
Do you love wait.
Come here. Stop laughing at him. Hug him, I said. Hug him.
I did.
Hug him again. La. Hug Kuya Wesley. Kuya Wesley got bubo. So guys, we just got home and William's gonna be a Spider-Man Tambuki Koy. I'm just joking.
Fix this for me.
Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, it's so funny. It's funny because
One too many cheeseburgers, bro. One too many cheeseburgers.
diet ulit, diet. Ano ba?
Hey, Wes, let me get a band-aid upstairs. I'll come back.
William, taro nga sa ba? Pag-uwi, nag-away yung dalawa. Stop laughing at me. Anak, be, anak na gubi.
Yeah, mommy, this doesn't fit with the arms. Mommy, this doesn't fit. Mommy, this doesn't fit.
Let me try. Hold on.
Doesn't fit.
Let me try. I wanna try. Just try it. So this is what we got. Captain America for Wesley Boy, and this one is for Waylon. So tomorrow baka pupunta kami sa trunk or treat, malapit lang dito sa amin. So they are so excited. Hindi na lang namin binilhan si William kasi meron mga oh my gosh. Meron mga costume dito na hindi pa nasuot. And meron ding Spider-Man. But yung isa hindi na kasya. Meron pang isa but I don't know asa saan nila nilagay yun. So ayan yung kasya ni William. William, come here. Atubangan, atubangan. Atubang ba?
Keep your back closed. Nobody wants to see your back. And wear a shirt under it. Because you're going to get a drafty breeze up your butt.
Atubang. You're so, look at the tummy, oh.